Welcome to Healthy Conversation. Computer GK Objective Questions and Answers for Children Part 14. Question. A computer runs on A. Electricity, B. Fuel, and C. Manpower. Correct answer is A. Electricity. Question. Which is one of the natural thing? A. Computer, B. Flower, C. Rickshaw. Correct answer is B. Flower. Question. In school, computer is used for A. Playing games, B. Teaching, and C. Entertainment. Correct answer is B. Teaching. Question. Computer is used for A. Drawing, B. Playing games, C. Both A and B. Correct answer is C. Both A and B. Question. Which one is input device? A. Monitor, B. Pen drive, C. Computer, and D. Keyboard. Correct answer is D. Keyboard. Question. Who was known as the father of modern computer? A. Henry Edward Roberts, B. Charles Babbage, and C. John von Neumann. Correct answer is C. John von Neumann. Question. Who was known as the father of personal computer? A. Henry Edward Roberts, B. Ada Lovelace, and C. John von Neumann. Correct answer is A. Henry Edward Roberts. Question. To shut down a computer, we first need to click on dash button. To shut down a computer, we first need to click on start button. Question. Shutdown ensures that our data is safe. Question. Which button do we switch off third to shut down a computer? UPS button do we switch off third to shut down a computer? Fill in the blanks from option given below. Electricity, natural, machines, mistake, and solve. Question number 1. Computer never makes any dash. Question number 2. Dash things are not made by man. Question number 3. Things which make our work easier are called dash. Question number 4. A computer runs on dash. Question number 5. We can dash sums on computer. Computer never makes any mistake. Natural things are not made by man. Things which make our work easier are called machine. A computer runs on electricity. We can solve sums on computer. Subscribe, like, share my channel. Thanks for watching. Hip hip hooray!